Hey everybody, Deb Chamorro Realtor here at a new listing. I'm at 302 East Ritter, which is in Ellettsville, just up from the ball fields. So you can, fall festival time, you know what that means. Candy apples and corn dogs. What do they serve at fall festival? Good, fair food. Anyways, that's just kind of around the corner. So great location in town. You know, there's a lot of really good stuff going on in Ellettsville, purposeful development to bring this downtown area alive. And this home is right in the midst of it. But check out some of these features as we go inside. These floor to ceiling almost windows are amazing. I just love them. There are storm windows on the outside. Those come off in the summer, and the top ones will crank out to get a nice breeze going through. The air conditioning in this home was actually just installed in like 2018. So it's a newer unit, but it didn't have AC before that, didn't really need it. Even has features like this, love these. And then more floor to ceiling. This is a little dining area, floor to ceiling window there as well. Original hardwood throughout the whole house. I just love those windows. Let me show you the kitchen, because this also has original cabinets. These are metal cabinets that have been painted, so you can put your magnets right on the cabinets if you want. And then the metal draining board here. So that's all original as well. Little coffee station over here. And then more floor to almost ceiling window there. That one cranks out too. So that one was designed to kind of give cross breeze to the ones in the front room. This lot is almost a half an acre. Again, I'm not going to show you too much in the backyard because there's spring cleaning underway. There is a shed out there that's being sold as is. You can kind of see it there. It probably needs a little love, but it was a workshop at one point with electricity, so it could be brought back. There are some raised beds, but it is 0.46 acres, so it's a very nice sized lot. There is also a carport. I'll take you out and show you that with some storage there as well. Then this room here is like a mud room. It's got a washer and dryer, and then the furnace and water heater, and those are all newer as well. Electric's been updated. So a lot of things have been done on this house in really good condition. Oh, look at those windows. I love them. Okay, moving on. There is a coat closet. People always ask about coat closets, but there's a coat closet back there too. And then there's 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. The bathroom is right here with a tub and some built-in shelves there. And then this bedroom is being used as an office. Again, check out the windows. Floor to almost ceiling, just so fun. My dogs would love that. So this is 1 bedroom, and again, hardwood floors throughout here. This is being used as the primary bedroom. Again, the windows there, and then some higher windows over here. And there is a closet here as well. And then the 3rd bedroom being used as a guest room, but also additional closet space. Previous owners have just done this. There's decent closet space, but if you're the only person living here, then you might as well make the most of it. I am going to show you the carport, and then I'm going to insert some pictures to show you the backyard in more a summertime mode. This is the carport. This is a hammock. They were trying to get out of the rain the other day. And then this is a storage closet. You can see on the side that it's fairly deep. I remember a previous owner telling me you can fit 4 bikes in here. So you can fit quite a bit in there. Here's a little bit of a view of the backyard again. Spring cleanup underway. And I'll kind of give you the view as you walk towards the front, down towards the ball field area. So near the park. Yeah. So there you go, 302 East Ritter. Come check it out.